Hi, in this video, we will show you how to easily remove photo and video watermarks. And the result is satisfying. This is the results. For example, the number 1, you can see there is watermarks in the bottom corner here. And after we remove, it's look like this. It's very impressive in here. And this is the second image with watermark. And this is the result. And this is for video. You will see also the result in here. For the video, it's still any deficiency. But the result is still satisfying. How to remove watermark on the image and video? First, you can using software called HitPaw Watermark Remover. With this software, you can easily remove watermark on image or on video. For example, let's do with our current photo. You can just select the watermarks like this. Then you can click remove now. Voila! Now the watermark is gone. Let's do with the second image. This is, you can select the watermark and click remove now. And voila, this is the result. You can export if you want to save the image. And this is the third image. Okay. And for the video, you need just to go to the remove video watermark tab in here. Choose your video files. For example, same with image, you can just select this, for example, and click remove and export. Wait until the process is done. This software is very good to remove watermark, and you don't need to waste time to remove the image watermark. And this is the result. Still any little blur, but I think it's satisfying. Okay, that's all.